Want to download YouTube video for free without premium? Then here's a step-by-step guidance on how you can easily download it. Start by heading over to your application YouTube. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you're in this page, search for the video that you want to download. Scroll down and you'll get to see more. Or you can also search it in the search bar. Let me search for Mr. Beast. Scroll down and click on any of the video that you want to download. Let me click on this one for now. Let's say you want to download this video. All you're going to do is click on this download icon right below subscribe. After that, select the download quality and then tap on download at the bottom right corner of the screen. The video will start to download. Tap on view at the bottom right corner. There you can see that the video is downloading. Also, the video has been downloaded. Now, even when you are offline, you will be able to view this video. So this is simply how you can download YouTube video without the premium. That's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.